What is up, people? It's been a minute because my OBS continuously has issues, so it's annoying to record. But yeah, I'll whenever I get a chance. Obviously, everything is going to my Notion, and so I do have my own daily reviews, and I have Kevin checking everything out. But I still like making the videos just to get an idea. So we're gonna go into. Well, we're in April. I want to go a little bit into last week because I don't know if I reviewed everything, and then go into this week. So let me pull up ugh, with my Notion. It might be all weird, but yeah. So I like the calendar view a lot. By the way, I don't know if y'all like using the calendar view, but it's kind of cool. It's like you can see the P&L chart, and I've set the system colors so it changes based on the day outcome. So obviously, let's just review today because I'm already here. So what's today? 2603, 603, 31. So last day of March. This is the only continuations trade I saw presented. Okay, actually, what the frick? It won't let me copy paste. Hold up. I think Kevin, you have to leave my Notion. Dude, what the heck? Actually, won't. Yeah, Kevin's gonna have to leave my Notion because or Kev because I have to upgrade my plan because he's in here. So that's kind of gay. But yeah. So continuation trade presented. We'll just well, yeah, I can't really do anything. We'll just go back in time. Continuation trade. The indicator's been very good. I don't know what the deal with his name is though. Bro, it was crazy. We had this continuation here in the 950 macro where we manipulated around 951 to the FVG and got a you can get a one-to-one out of there. I did take this. It was not too clean. It was just choppy. Like look at market open. Like look at this crap. We just chopped around majority of market open and then we started displacing. So it was kind of like not gonna take the last trade of the month and mess it up there. What am I doing? So there's that. Let's see. We go Monday. I still have my drawings on Monday. So this was a continue. Wait, was it a continuation? Or was it 9, 10? I don't think so. No, I didn't log this. The one I was looking at is this one here. So nothing taken on Monday. Obviously, look, no trades, no trades. So this continuation was the 944. I'll get the where's my replay tool? Nothing but Jamie. The bar. As you can see the indicator. Why is it not showing the indicator, bro? What is this? All right, whatever. But we had macro time here, 944 with that was the cleanest trade. Honestly, this I should have taken this thing. But I didn't like how close we were to this doll, even though we didn't take it. And you can see it's like we didn't take it. I didn't want us to start reversing from this point, but I was looking for this for a value gap also. And yeah, 1013. I don't know what else. What was this day? I don't really know. So those 2 days, no trade so far. What was? Am I tripping? I'm just gonna do select date. Do the 28th, 9:30. We'll do 10:30. Let's see what this shows. Oh yeah, I think I remember this. Let me just delete all this crap. All right. Wait, no, this was it. 27th. 27th. Yeah, that was last week. Okay. So 27 was just a retracement for a larger bearish movement. So we had. Did I trade? What did I take on the 27th? I lost. I must have been FOMOing. No, it was a valid entry. It's just the trade it went higher than I expected. So the trade idea was a continuation short off sweeping this high, running low, and then I saw us retrace into this 3 minute. Sorry, so this one. We traced to a 3 minute gap. I took a short here, and my stop was at the high, so I got wicked out. I should have had it would have been a big old stop, but I should have had it at this high. That's what I could have learned from. I can say that. Let's do this. Should have had my stop at the swing high. My OBS still working? Yeah. That's what happens. It crashes every now and then. Okay, should have my stop at the swing high. I honestly, guys, y'all tell me what you think. I kind of want to get a MacBook, or yeah, I want to get a MacBook. I mean, I have a gaming laptop I trade on and everything, but I want like a work laptop, and then I want like a gaming PC eventually. So, swing high. Yeah, so that would have been the actual trade on this day. So it was a good trade. Like it was, don't get me wrong, it was a good trade. We did manipulate. Did I have time? It was 9:38. I think it was 9:38. But we end up actually putting it in the 950 macro up here. So something like that. Yeah. It was a valid loss. I'm willing to take that. Honestly, the stop placement just should have been higher. All right, what else we got? Family. What was this? I had a rough week last week. Blew 2 eval accounts. It's all journaled though. This was, gosh, what was this? Dude, this was horrible. Just because of the chop. So I took a continuation here. I don't, this was a FOMO trade. Let me put that in. There was even a broke rules. Yeah, I already did it. Look at me. But I had to sit through all this chop, and yeah, it was painful as heck. So should have gotten break even on this trade, as I say in my journaling. But yeah, that was an annoying day. I was looking for this high here, but then we just chop around with the war news and then displace lower. What's this day? This was a break even. What do we do today? Wait, is this the right day? Yeah, no, it was early in the session. Manipulate a high. Start displacing lower. What did I take? Took shorts. Okay, I see what I'm doing. I took shorts here. This was should have been a win because I like literally ticked it, but I had my RS by RR set at the actual swing low, which was down here. So I missed it, but I for my 1-to-1, if I just said a 1-to-1, I would have taken profit there. All right, next day. This was choppy. Dude, I don't. This day was horrid. What did I even do? What was this crap? I took a short here and then we just re-manipulated. So my stop was above this high. TP was down here. And we re-manipulated that high. Yeah, so that's annoying. So something like this. And my stop was above this high. I don't know. Was it right above it? Like something like that. Looking for this low. Annoying trade. Yeah, these days, the choppy conditions like this, look at this crap. Like this stuff is you got to stay out of, and that's what I'm trying to avoid. It's mainly like Mondays and Tuesdays will be not as high prop. This was a Tuesday. This Monday was kind of clean. What did I take here? Kind of clean. It was still bad displacement. Oh, what did I do? What did I do? I think I just like traded an eval. FOMO traded. Oh, this is the day I FOMO'd out. Oh, yeah, this is bad. So I should have taken a winning trade on this day, even though it was very choppy. What did I take? I don't know. But what would have been were there even, there's like no fair value gaps open. 1005, 1004, 10, no, 9. We got, I'm gonna use this indicator, it's messing up. 1007, no. Dude, this was horrible. I don't think there was anything. 1044. I mean, nah, this day was horrible. There's nothing. So yeah, totally a FOMO trade day. Totally. I mean, you could have taken this soup off 931. No, that was 930 up and though. Maybe this. Nah, there's nothing. Legit nothing. Yeah, so this week, last week I broke my rules. This week, what I've noticed, a lot's changing, and we don't have to look at the charts. Let's just look at my Notion. A lot's changing because now I'm actually following my rules. So as you can see, when we had Powell speaking today, I didn't take any trades. I journaled. This was a potential short entry, obviously, and the same with the other day. I didn't take any trades. This was today, but I journaled what we had. So I'm gonna wait for, where's April? I'm gonna wait for beginning of April, see what we get through this day, and then obviously going from there. Yeah, boys. I don't know what's going on my Notion. It's actually so annoying, but there it is. I would show you these buttons, but my Notion's messing up because I need Kevin to leave because of my members thing. So these buttons just do certain things: prop firm ROI, system, time, news, blah blah blah. And here's my trading rules: have a protected stop loss, no trading bank holidays, only 3 trades per week allowed. I have 3 bullets, which is gonna help me with my impatience. Fair value plus time, obviously, and then time plus turtle soup for clear manipulation and displacement. Uh-oh. Y'all there? All right, this thing is so annoying. No trading before NFP. And yeah, so if y'all want to find these widgets, I'm gonna, what up? I should have put this somewhere. I can't. Can I rename this? Caption? Oh, come on now. This is my rule following streak. So I follow my rules for 3 days in a row currently. So this is gonna help with my mental state because it's like a video game. So the more I follow my rules, the more I'm gonna want to boost my streak up. So rule following streak. We'll do. I don't know if I can do emojis. Can I? Hold up. I'm about to upload some. Dude, oh my gosh, why? Why? Y'all hear me? It's actually so gay as heck. So I was just gonna pull up a fire emoji. But so rule following streak's gonna help me build consistency and give me that gamification. So every time I do follow my rules, I will get a reward in turn. I will let me copy paste this. What the frick? Actually, though, bro. Hold up. Sorry. There we go. It's on the computer. It's annoying because you have to like physically get emojis. Okay, so rule following streak. Can I put this in bold? We'll do. Can't do colors, can I? No. Okay. And then obviously this is my clock also here. So that's cool. Yeah, so streak, my clock, this is kind of just a widget I added. I'll show y'all where to get all these widgets. There's a website called Indify, which you can get most of the stuff you need, and then you can get obviously animated wallpapers. Yeah, I just like the little fun things of Notion, but it's not totally necessary. All you need is the physical journals, which you can log every day. So that's really it, boys. All right, peace out before my Notion for my OBS crashes on me again.